Hi guys, today's video we're going to check out the 5 best folding chairs on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 3. JG6958 Folding Chair. The JG6958 folding chair is a versatile outdoor furniture designed to enhance relaxation and comfort. Its antique appearance adds a touch of nostalgia to any outdoor setting, while handrails provide security and ease of use. Made from high-quality synthetic leather, it offers durability and easy maintenance. The chair's compact design allows for easy transportation and storage, making it perfect for camping trips, picnics, or lounging in the backyard. Originally from mainland China, it combines traditional craftsmanship with modern convenience, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. The chair's versatility extends to various outdoor activities from sunbathing on sandy shores to fishing by the lake. Originating from mainland China, this chair is a testament to its adaptability to diverse settings. Number 2. A Naturehike Folding Chair. The Naturehike folding chair is a versatile outdoor accessory that offers convenience, durability, and comfort. It weighs just 270 grams and is lightweight, making it easy to carry on hikes, camping trips, or fishing excursions. The chair is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, providing reliable support for various outdoor activities. Its versatile design makes it suitable for picnics, beach outings, and backyard gatherings. The chair is simple yet practical, with no pull-bait tray, lamp holder, or retractable backrest. Available in classic black or vibrant green, the chair features a sleek and modern design. When unfolded, it measures 260,224,250 millimeters, offering ample seating space while maintaining a compact footprint. The chair's compact size ensures a comfortable and reliable seating solution for any outdoor adventure. Number 1. Oloey Folding Chair. The oloey folding chair is a portable seating solution designed for outdoor adventures, sketching sessions, and hiking trips. It features a telescopic folding design, making it easy to set up and pack away. The chair is small and portable, fitting into backpacks or car trunks, making it suitable for camping trips, outdoor concerts, or backyard lounging. The removable stool allows for quick breaks without committing to setting up the entire chair. The chair is made from high-quality 7075 aluminum alloy material, providing durability for outdoor use. Despite its lightweight design, the oloey folding chair has a strong load-bearing capacity, allowing you to relax and unwind without worrying about the weight. This versatile chair is perfect for any outdoor activity. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.